some string modification functions are there. Suppose that you want to print in upper, so print upper message dot upper, right? So it will convert all the characters into the uppercase. You see, good, right? Let me clear this one as well. Similarly, suppose that you want to put it lower, it will, there is another function, it will put in the lower side, right? All are in lower. Similarly, suppose that message I have put it here, I'm not putting all the things in single variable, I'm removing this. And the next one is strip. Strip function is, suppose that I have put lots of space here, and then what I will do, that is strip, strip. So what it does, it removes the extra spaces. So when I print, there will be no space here, right? Space is removed. Similarly, replaces, if I want to replace this G from particular character H, message dot replace, then what character, like I want to replace G with which one, so H, right? So let us see what it prints. It will replace, see, G changes to G, H, good morning, right? Next is split. Suppose that I want to split in a separated from comma, good comma morning, and I want to, one second, close this one. I want to use the split function. I'll write here split, right? And with what character what I want to split, comma 1. Then it will turn the string into a list. See, good morning, right? You see, it's a very important function of Python in a string. So hope all you are clear about upper, lower, strip, replace and split, right? Now the one major and important thing is that in Python, suppose that you want to change a particular character in a string, that will not possible because strings are not mutable. Suppose that I want to do message 0, one position I want to put H, right? You see, it's already giving error. Now print message, right? It's giving error because strings are not mutable. You're not able to do that. But another thing is that what you can do, how you can do that, like I put it 1, so it will remove this one. So what I should do, from, suppose that I have message equal to, I have added H plus concatenating I'm, then str column, one column, sorry, that in one column, right? And then try to print what is happening here. Notice string, this is a message, right? My typo, right? You see, it's changed. So what I did here, I did from here I have removed G, so it will return this one, right? So the meaning of that, if I writing one colon, means, and nothing on the end index, it will do not start from 1, and all the other part of the string will be returned, right? And it will append with the h, concatenate with the h. This is how we can do, right? So all clear. And one important thing is that you can format a string. How you can format a string? Suppose that here is the example is my name is John and I am, the string is my name is Jay and I am years old, right? So this is the string, and I put it here age equal to 36, right? So what I'll do, I'm formatting, so print, sorry for typo, print str dot format and pass the variable name, that is the age, because there is only one variable age that will pass. I'm clearing this screen and let us see what's happening, right? So you see my name is Jay and I am 36 years old. So this way you can use the format function. Whatever the variable you want to, like one variable is there, and pass the one variable and it will be used. Suppose that I wanted two variables, name Jay. So I'll replace this one with curly braces, and with age I'll put the name, comma, right? Let us see what is happening. So now J and 36 both are using here. Suppose that what will happen if I'm replacing here, or I'm changing the order and putting the comma? What will happen here? See, the meaning has been changed. My name is 36 and I'm J years old. It's wrong. So we know that the this is the 0 variable, this is the 1 variable. So we can put here 1 and this is the 0. Let us see. So here one interesting thing is that you can put one variable or more than one variable, and if you do not specify this index, it will take in order. But if you writing the variable name in any random order, and you want to place the value of the variable in some appropriate way, put the index here. As name is in second position here in this variable passing, and its index is 1, so I have written is 1. Age is here is first parameter, but I am using 0 because this is the 0 index. Actually start from 0 to number of variables we are using. So it depends on us how much variables we are using, and according to our understanding and according to our need, we can put the index. So hope it's clear. So hope you enjoyed this strings in Python in this complete series of Python. And if you have any question, any query, do not hesitate to post in comment. I'll be happy to respond. And yet not you have subscribed my channel, please subscribe